Death has gone ahead to scout a way into the Damascus Gate. I should find him, but before I do, it may serve me well to seek out this blacksmith. Any improvements he could offer would prove useful. Yeah.
I'll teach you my shoulder pen. They always.
كم يلزمنا من الحصل؟
لا تذكرني بسوء
شقيقة القدوم غدا. إنك تعد ألا تتكلم.
يذهب على الأعين فعل ذلك.
إنهم يرسلون الذهب في الموعد أعتقد أن حسين يدرك أن الجاحظ سأرمي نفسي عاجلا في نهر
فإن أفضل تطبيق
There it is, as cruel and unforgiving as I remember.
You were once imprisoned here.
Oh no, I have never been inside. In fact, I have never stood closer than this very place. It was from here that I would fly my kite high over these prison walls. It had a unique pattern, you see. One I stitched together with my father when I was just a boy. So here I came, day after day, hoping for a gust that would take it high enough so that he would see it and know that I was here. I do not know if he ever did.
I know this pain, and I am sorry for yours.
I am not. Such pains forge our paths. Remind us of who we are, who we can be.
Speaking of paths, I see only one, and it is not inviting.
No, we need to find a way to get you inside without being seen.
Could this help?
Where did you get that?
Beshi. He told me these tokens command a high value among the common folk.
Indeed. You could perhaps bribe the guards to look the other way, or enlist the help of some merchants.
I shall see what flavor best suits me.
I will take my leave and return to the bureau. Faqaqallah.
Guide me, Enkidu. Are you men with Ali?
We were. But it has been weeks since we have seen him, and the rebels have all but disbanded.
That is only temporary. Ali is being held in this prison.
Ali? Here? I feared him dead.
I will free him, but I need your help to get me inside.
And who are you? We want nothing more than to see our leader return, but how do I know you can be trusted?
Beshi told me I could exchange this token for your help. What say you?
If he gave you this, he must hold you in high regard. We will take care of the guards. Watch us closely, then make your move.
It stinks of sweat and hopelessness.
Where are you returning from? You bang!
أتمنى لو توقف الزمن تمتد اللحظة إلى ساعة.
Ali has been taken somewhere beneath the prison and likely tortured. I need to hurry.
Hold on. Departed. What?
Huh? Who's?
I'll play you when I find you.
Stop right there! Hey!
Hold on! Here, go! An army of jinn.
Maybe they need a bastion this side of the city. We can impose order if needed. Hold on! I'll silence you!
Who did this to you?
I never thought demons
Where is he?
could walk the earth. But that man is evil. That is what the jailer wants. He wants us. He already has.
Hey.
I thought you would have had your fill by now. But still you persist. Your friends. Where he hails from? Your mother's ass. I can keep doing this. The question is, let us find out together, shall we? A slow death it is. The only thing killing me is your stench. And you are?
Basim, friend to Noor. Let us save the details for another time. We need to get you out of here.
Slow yourself, ya Azizi. We cannot leave, not yet. I need to get into the guards' quarters.
What for?
It is Al Ghul you are after, is it not? The guards of this prison serve him. They take shifts escorting groups of prisoners to dig sites under the cover of night. If we can find their orders, we may know where Al Ghul is going next. Is that reason enough?
Stay close to me, stay low, and do not
Oh, come, Basim. I know how to defend myself.
Really? What with?
Let's try not to get in each other's way. Tell me, Basim, because I must know. Just how did you make it down here?
Easy. I sucked in my belly and wiggled through the cracks.
Even the world's greatest.
Ali, one day I will tell you all about my past. Then you will understand.
Such a tease.
We will not have much time.
Break it down!
Ali!
I heard you!
Over there! By the armor! Hurry!
I have it!
Take it to Roshan, my master. She is with your rebels at the Watermill stronghold. I will slow the guards. Now go!
Right. There you are. Stop right. Going to ring the bell. There. Got you.
The guards remain on high alert. Until I change that, I should not regroup with Ali. The risk is too great.
Aren't you on the poster?
أتعتقد أن حسين يدرك بخصوص التجربة؟
حسناً.
Raise the
Best
cry!
keep to the
Get
shadows.
on! It's the outlaw here! Somebody find the watcher!
You look familiar.
These degenerate rascals are vicious. Be careful.
They are looking for me.
ليس هذا كل شيء.
The guards. Ali has gone and regrouped with the rebels. Roshan should be there by now as well.
ما مشكلته؟ أتعتقد أن حنين أنت اذبح جماحك.
Peace, friend.
Good to see you.
May I?
Lent. Useful for strengthening one's gear. The tools of the trade. Very good, sir. Nothing else.
I'm.
Farewell.
لكنك تجازف.
أراهن على تسلق شجرة.
You ever been down to Abdullah?
What?
أول ما تأخذ أحدث تعديلات ابن علي متأخرا الليلة.
هكذا.
This looks like the place. Now where is Ali?
All credit where it is due, for this man came to my aid at my darkest hour. And from what I have heard, I am not the only one. I will pay a great tribute to you in a chronicle of our exploits. But we must first write the end of it. Come.
I see you two have met.
Only briefly. But the night is young and there is much to discuss. About what you can procure for me.
Our means are limited. But rest assured, I will listen to your needs, Ali. Later. Share what you know about Al Ghul, so that Basim may do what he's come here to do.
Yes. Your affairs before mine. But just this once. Al Ghul sends orders to the prison guards detailing where to dig around Baghdad. But it's not just prisoners he's using.
There is a promissory note for workers here. It looks like Al Ghul arranges to purchase migrant laborers as well.
Who in Baghdad could make these sorts of arrangements without raising suspicion?
There is but one man, Masoud al-Yaqub. He runs Baghdad's soap mills, finds paying work for foreign settlers, most of them Persian.
So he forces these laborers into working his dig sites, all under the guise of providing them with a livelihood.
Beshi!
He tracked down one of Al Ghul's dig sites, posed as a prisoner. What happened?
The search turned up nothing. But that did not stop the guards from trying to silence us. I cracked one skull and fled. I doubt the others were as lucky.
A foolish thing to do with nothing to show for it.
Not nothing. Al Ghul will be at the Caravanserai. I overheard the guards talking.
Of course. Merchants from all over stop there to rest. If Mas'ud is buying migrant workers, it is likely the Caravanserai is where he conducts his affairs. What does he look like?
He is a large man. Favors adornments like jewels and silks from the east.
Then he will be hard to miss. It is time, Basim.
What is your plan?
That will be for Basim to decide.
Basim? Alone? No. Let me gather some men.
And allow for foolish spectacle. Your day to display your prowess will come. But this day belongs to Basim. Consider it part of our agreement. Basim?
I am ready.
Then walk with me. Come, Basim. An Order member is within our reach, Basim. And like those before and those yet to come, Al Ghul's death will be just. This is a man who preys off the desperate and the disenfranchised. And such atrocities will only continue. For Al Ghul is but a cog in a larger wheel, one that spins destructively. So long as it does, we Hidden Ones will make it our mission to slow it to a stop. Today, you will lend your hand, your blade, to that very mission. And while Al Ghul is your first target, he will not be your last. I have great belief in that, and in you. Through all my stoicism, my harsh lessons, know that you have impressed me, Basim. The Order's presence in Baghdad and beyond rests on shifting sands, so long as you remain at the tip of our spear.
And that is where I intend to remain. Beholden to your guidance, Master. As busy as a beehive.
Come, set your sights under two.
Merchants, livestock, caravans from all walks. And I thought Anbar's markets were disorderly.
Where there is disorder, there is chaos, and chaos can bring opportunity. See what avenues present themselves. Be reactive, but patient, and trust your instincts.
That is Mas'ud, on the balcony, just as Ali described.
I see him. Go now. Wet it with the blood of the slain. I will find you when it is over.
You think your cruelties well hidden, Al Ghul. For you chose those with little voice, whose cries you knew would go unheard. They dug at your bidding, died at your hand, and were cast away like so much refuse. All to scour the desert for some artifact. Even now you haggle for flesh, safe in the Caravanserai. You prefer your victims chained and starved. It is time you faced a man unbound.
Come.
The
stage
fire
is
has
yours.
caused ruckus and alarm.
I will be watching.